Well, welcome to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques in our YouTube channel, where we demonstrate some of the china being listed on the Vintage and Antiques website. And in this video we're going to show you these absolutely exquisite antique Copeland Spode Japanese pattern dessert plates made in 1893, and we know that because we're going to show you the date stamp marks on these. Got 3 of them. They're being listed individually for sale. They're incredibly rare in this format and exquisitely decorated. Just look at the gilt, and they're in a stack like that with these gadrooned rims, rich 24 karat gold all the way around there. Then the cobalt blue in the outer rims, heavily outlined in a sort of almost Gothic style by the decorators with that arch design, and then this burnt umber, reddish and cobalt blue floral design, which just fades away onto the actual surface of the dessert plates. But just look at the glazed reflection on there. These are in cabinet mint condition, really. Absolutely fine for collectors. Beautiful examples of what Copeland Spode were producing around this period of time. And there is the china marks, Japanese, Spode, Copeland, England, and then Copeland, China, England also there. And on these, don't know if this is going to show up on the video, but these have got, this one's particularly N93 for November 93. We've also got some T93 date stamps on the other two, indicating year of manufacture 1893, and the letter donates the month of manufacture. Absolutely gorgeous, beautiful examples. Really high quality Copeland Spode from that era. We've got 3 available on the Vintage and Antiques website. If you follow the link description below, it will take you directly through to the listing for these 3 absolutely superb examples of Copeland Spode antique Japanese china.